Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back. Y'all already can see from the title, today is a affordable luxury unboxing. We are about to unbox the Marc Jacob tote bag. So which one do y'all think I got? So drum roll, y'all. So I picked up an item from Nordstrom, and y'all already know what I got, a Marc Jacob bag. But which Marc Jacob bag did I get, baby? So without further ado, I picked up this tote bag. It is so cute, y'all. It has like splashes of paint on here. It's black, white, and a dark gray color. And as you can see, the words is in dark gray, and I just love the detail on this bag. It is so cute. And then we have, you know, the little information that's on the back of the bag. The Marc Jacob style tote bag, location NYC, in the year 1984. So I picked this up from Nordstrom's. I was just in there browsing, and I wasn't even going to get a bag. I was just in there you know, looking around, and I seen a few bags that I liked. I know I wanted to purchase a bag, but just that day I didn't know I was going to purchase one. But I've been looking at Coach bags, and I definitely been eyeballing the Marc Jacob tote, and also I think Tory Burch bag. I was eyeballing those three bags lately. So I don't know, this bag just definitely caught my eye. It could be an everyday bag. It's very spacious. So the bag retail for $275, and it does come with a strap. I'm gonna show y'all that later, but it is very roomy. This is the small tote bag that I got, and I'm gonna show you guys what can fit in my tote bag. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, this bag is very roomy. You can fit, like, I can fit my planner in here. I can fit my toiletry pouch 26 in here. I can also fit my Fenty Beauty cream in here, some Versace lotion in here, my Chanel mirror can fit in here, my iPhone 13 Pro Max can fit in here, of course. And so much other stuff. You can actually fit a MacBook Pro in here. So I still have room after all this stuff in here. Very roomy. But I want to show y'all the accessories that I got to go with this bag, just to jazz it up a little, add some fun to the bag. I purchased some chains from Amazon, and I will link these below if you are interested. So I got a white one. Let me show you what it looks like. So I just put this on here. I thought it would be cute to add, you know, a little accessories to this bag. So what y'all think? I like it. I think it's cute. It's different. So that's how the white one look. And then I also got it and a matte black. This is what the black one looks like. I like it. This is real cute. What I do like about this bag, it is very spacious, and then it's a great like travel bag if you want to travel with this bag to the airport, or if you wanted to, you know, use it as a everyday work bag. It is just perfect and spacious, just what I needed. And then also, y'all, let me show you, you can put a water bottle on the side, which I won't be doing, but I'm gonna show y'all. It's cute for those people need it. You know, it come in handy when you traveling and you need to put your water. I probably would definitely use this like if I'm in the airport and I got this on top of my suitcase and I got a drink and I'm doing too much at the moment. I probably would put like my water bottle on the side or something maybe, but not just every day carrying a water bottle. I wouldn't, but okay. I went and grabbed a water bottle. So basically, of course, you would just put it like this, and you know, it's in place, it's not moving, it's not going nowhere, I guess. So that's cool. But overall, I really like this style of this bag. I love like that splatter of paint that's going on with this bag. It is so freaking cute, and I just cannot wait to wear this. I just picked up a couple of pieces to go with this bag, and it's gonna look fire, okay? So I will also link this bag below. And the funny thing is, y'all, it was the last one there, and the girl was telling me like, oh, I think I got some more in the back because it was on display. So I'm like, okay, yeah, I'd rather get my bag out the back or whatever. So this lady was watching me, and she came over. She was like, yeah, I've been watching you the whole time. She was like, are you gonna get that bag? Because my niece been looking for that bag for the longest. And I'm like, she might have some more in the back. So I'm like, let me hold on to it just in case. But I'm like, she might have some more in the back. The lady like, oh, we don't have no more. So I had stepped away for a second and put the bag down, y'all. So she grabbed the bag, and I was like, no, baby, I told you I'm about to get that bag. She gonna say you can have it. No, we was gonna fight because that bag was mine. So I was gonna get the bag regardless. But anyway, the bag is so cute, y'all. I really like it. It was definitely worth the price. It is a great affordable luxury item, and I just can't wait to wear it. Like, I love that the words is in charcoal gray and not white. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like as a crossbody. So you can adjust the strap. So this is what it looks like on. It's cute. Really like it. I think I'm gonna carry mine like a handbag. I don't know if I'm gonna do crossbody style. I'm not sure yet. This is what the white chain look like, the white matte chain. So this is like cute for the summer and spring. So yeah, just to jazz it up a little. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. I will link the bag below for you guys, and I'll also link the chains if you are interested in those purse chains below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.